On Friday, I picked up the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I also picked up the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. On Saturday, I went out and I took a bunch of footage. I uploaded it all to YouTube, and I was very pleased with how stable the video was. So this combination of products works very well together, but I was not pleased at all with the quality of the YouTube video. There were a ton of artifacts in the skies and a lot of blockiness, and it just was kind of spread throughout the whole video, just kind of a horrible quality. And it was a little bit strange to me because I had recorded at a very high bitrate and I had also exported at a very high bitrate. So it must have been the YouTube transcode or something. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to see if I can get a better quality overall video and reduce that artifacting and blockiness in the skies. And also, the purpose of this video is to bring you some more footage with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max and see how you like it. I personally think this combination of products is excellent together. So check it out and let's see if I got rid of the artifacting in the skies and the blockiness and all that other stuff. So let's see.